in Ruggles Station. I'm going to meet up with my friend. I'm not going to say who yet because I'm planning to do like a little Japanese introduction later. So yeah, the lighting was just really pretty, so I just decided to take a video of me doing absolutely nothing because, hello, I forgot eyeliner, so I put glasses on, but like I do have stuff on my eyes. But yeah, so let's go get my friend.
Look at the fit! The fit is cute! She popping off! I see the color combination. Fall vibes.
Thank you.
Thought I wouldn't see. Look at the glasses.
Service and serving alcohol responsibility. Mixology and pouring, origin of various alcohols, and cultivation of coffee. Huh. Okay. Nice.
This is the thumbnail. Shit. Minasan konnichiwa. 今日私の友達うむちゃんがいるよ。
イエーイ
Oh my gosh. 今日私たち一緒にカフェに行きます。Early. Oh. Okay, earlier, yes, Janglish. Earlier, I was researching this cafe. I was looking at the menu because I wanted to know if I could even buy anything. Am I just going to take a video or can I actually purchase something? I couldn't even find the menu. And you know what that means? Do you know what that means if you can't find menu? No. Menu o mitsukaranai nara tabun tabemono wa takai yo! If you can't find menus, usually places that don't have menus online are very expensive. Like all places that I've ever seen, especially if they new and Asian or they look fancy and cute, if I can't find their menu online or if they just put like the thing, they don't put the prices, it's because that shit is expensive and they trying to just lure you in with their aesthetics. You can't lie to me. Like expensive to me is like $5 for a small latte. Like that's expensive to me.
I'll still pay because I'm that person, but for the pics.
For the pics. Oh my gosh.
I said it. For
The
the sipping by breeze.
That's the name?
Yeah. Sipping by breeze.
このカフェの名前は
The sipping brew by breeze.
By Breeze.
Who is breeze?
What is Breeze?
Why is it breeze?
These are the questions we need answers to. But also, このカフェの壁画は日本のアーティストによって作られました。So, いいだと思った。I thought that was pretty cool.
本当だ、Japanese.
本当。
水木西山。
And it's a 女。So, represent.
Empowerment.
Feminism.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's what
No,
we're...
you're right. There's no like price menu, but they're like really aesthetically pleasing. Okay, maybe we should just go. Maybe we should just go.
We should just go.
Let's
go.
Let's go.
Dude.
Should I wear this? Or the beret? You tell me.
Oh, it looks like I have a gut. No, guys, it's a lie. Like, I ain't that big. You gotta show it, because I always wear sweaters, so it always looks like I'm a circle or an elongated oval. In other words, a cylinder. So I have to turn to the side to be like, I have shape.
You do.
It's there. Oh, that's
It's
pretty.
better. This or that.
The beret, though, 100%. There was no real...
Okay, now I'm just gonna have to deal with it like coming off.
If you're going to a cafe for the pictures, you might as well look the best you possibly can for the photos. What do y'all think? You can put in the comments, but I think the beret is perfect and I am standing by that. Cause look at the color coordination. Red, a different shade of red, but still red. I was acting foolish, as I usually do. Why do you keep turning like this? Like you can't move your head, like your neck is locked. Oh, we back outside. And we're going. It's good though, right? Don't your skin look great?
Wow.
Hello. I look like Lord Farquaad, but that's cool. That's a look.
Name of the day is time.
Time. If someone told you I want to do a photo shoot with the concept of time, what does that mean for you? Don't know it. Don't get it. 教えてください。それに教えて。何ですか?
Northeastern is so small.
It really is.
Small.
You just be dipping.
SMOL.
Small. She said small with a pequeño, a capital pequeño.
Okay, that was just like
A capital pequeño. I just be doing that. Like I'm broke with a capital poor, you know?
okay,
Like
maybe Himalayan salt.
oh my god. Guys are pretty. Did you what mediocre? What? Oh, she said it was. She said the sky is mediocre. Wow. Mother Nature gonna come for you. You know what? That's why it's cold, because people like her is insulting Mother Nature. You are the reason winter has come. That I turned the camera off for a second, but I need to talk about this. I got a dislike on my last video, and I'm upset because I have 20 subscribers. So which one of y'all are having an issue with me wearing 50 shirts? What part about that? Like, what part about that really hurt you? If you gonna dislike my video, I'm gonna need a detailed and thorough explanation in the comments. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. So let's talk about, I actually wanna, ain't nothing but a don't know the words, tell me why. Wait, NSYNC was playing earlier. Mistake. I want it that way. I was talking with my boss earlier, and well, one of my bosses. He's from France. He's from Nice, France. He's half French, half Portuguese. So he speaks French and Portuguese and English. And we were talking about languages and how your voice will change depending on the language you speak. And I was like, why? Like, what is that a thing? We were talking about, like, is it up to, like...
You too, though.
Yeah, definitely. It's so different. It's like, I'm like, is it a confidence thing? Because, like, in English, like, I can intonate the way I want to, but, like, in Japanese, like, I'm just so happy to know what the fuck I'm saying that I just, like, say it chipper, or I'll say it softer, or, like my voice is mad deep. I'm out here sounding like a man. But when I speak Japanese, like, my voice goes higher and, like, softer.
But I think it's like also interesting when you speak English and Japanese equally, but like my voice still changes. So that's
It
not
does.
like a confidence issue.
True.
It's just like,
It's just something that, like, the personality changes based upon the language.
I think it's also like culture.
Mm.
I think people here are more like frank.
Yeah. Straightforward, yeah. Candor is a thing. You gotta just soften the blow.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't know, like, I feel like when I speak Japanese, like, I sound mad, like, I speak mad cutesy, and it's kind of ugly. But when I speak Korean, like, I speak very deep and, like, whiny. Yeah, like, no, for real though, like, 저는 마야입니다. Like, it's deep. Like, but I'll be like, "Atashi no namae wa Maya." I'm like, who is that? Isn't me. Whomst. It's not me. And then English, I just sound like myself, which is a mess. But, like, I don't know. Thoughts? Opinions? Questions? Comments, please. We walking through the fence. Yes, I didn't need get tapped that came with that question. But It was one bar. Y'all, do you see this? I sang one bar. Not one line, half a bar, and it was shut down in 0.2 seconds.
You know why?
Nande.
Because my friends call me out when I do that.
Am I them? Like, hello?
It's called a chain reaction. You heard of food chain?
Food done. Deceased. Goodbye. Have you heard a chain reaction? I'm fucking collateral damage. Like, I don't need this shit.
You know what that also means? You can do it back to me.
So you gonna sing for me?
No. You watch. I'll sing without you telling me to sing.
Actually, no. You already sang, and I sang with you. I supported you. I didn't even know the words, and I still...
It was a song that we both knew. You sang an original song. Dun dun dun.
Walks home. Like... upset. いつもちょっと待ってちょっと待ってちょっと待って when?
Yay. Okay,
Yay.
now it is.
We've switched.
Posties.
Posty.
Posties.
I mean it is though. 難しいね.
I feel like I bring out the weirder side of me when I'm with you.
Like you just bring it out or I draw it out. Like you just like I can just be free. Both? Okay. Got it. Glad to know. Oh, you can actually see my eye makeup now because there's no hat covering it.
Cute. I'm gonna take this.
Drip, drip, drip. Rain, drop, drop, drop. Oh, well, that definitely looks Asian. Oh my, the spring room. Open. Kawaii. 小さいな。
あるよ。
Oh.
え、こんなに大きい
高くない？So you're talking about my shrimp.
Even if you put the recipe out there, the amount of love and effort that goes into that,
The blood, sweat, and tears. It's not the same. She said no. Like, oh, hello, light. Yeah, like the. Okay, that's close. Thank you. Okay. Death awaits. Back up. Yeah, so like one of my other previous videos, Cook With Me, the spicy shrimp. If you went to my 21st birthday party, you may have eaten it. Umi loves it. And like really, like if I'm not, I was supposed to make it today actually, but I forgot my spices. Like, I'm pretty sure the last 4 times we've hung out, shrimp has been the basis or or like a part of it in some way. Like it right. So like I put the recipe up though. She thinks I should open my own shrimp shop.
Yeah, Maya Shrimp. I'll buy
Maya
it.
Shrimp. Would y'all buy it? My shrimp?
The first and the second and the third.
The first and the second. She will single-handedly keep me and my business afloat. This is kind of pretty, no? They built this after I left. Upset.
Himalayas.
Himalayas. Shall we start making bigger
Crying and puking for the next 6 months. I'm so unhappy to be working with a non-existent group of people and exploring my interest in being stupid at such a not present, nowhere to be found company. I like to thank my dumb brain and low self-esteem. I'm so sorry for everyone who has helped me get 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're always cutting onions because whenever you're cooking for me, you're always making curry.
That is true, but
So.
it's not curry today. So.
Ooh, what is it today?
Oyakodon.
Oyakodon.
Yeah.
Chef Ewmi, everyone.
It's
How does
not
she cut her onions safely?
safely. Wait, my eyes are tearing up.
Ooh, you know there's a way to cut onions so that you don't?
What is it?
I don't know. My mom just told me because she's a chef, so she was like, I just learned how to do that, and I was like, cool. She over here fluttering eyelashes.
You know, you did have contact lenses, so I don't have this issue, but today I made an active choice to wear glasses.
You made an active choice to give your eyes a break,
Yeah.
and now
Because
you.
my eyes got fucked up this summer. Actually, I'm not kidding.
I joke, I kid, but
I joke, but it's true.
I'm actually serious. Your eyes sparkle when the tears are in there.
No, it's not beautiful. It's just pain.
Beauty is pain. Beauty is.
Not in this case.
Yeah.
It's easier when you do that.
She got skill. She just said the only reason she comes to my house is from her. That's my contribution to today's meal. Oh, she just smacked that in there like oil don't jug. Look at that expert grip.
Oh, stir.
I'm talking about the way you're holding the spatula.
Oh, yeah.
Well, yeah. Whatever floats, whatever stirs your chicken. Go ahead. Okay, she said, should I put more pepper? I love taste. Not, I love taste. That's the Ewmi quote of the year. I love taste. There's egg now. She said, yay!
Wait,
Wow.
No.
Wow.
You know what I just noticed? I forgot my beret.
Oh, it's okay. We get to see those pretty highlights instead. You see how I be constantly building her up, yet I am so easily shut down? It's the small ones you must watch out for. They be cutting you down aside.